Today, I'm going to take you on an adventure that's going to show you the intricacies and the diversity of animal life in Santa Clarita Valley. So the first thing that we have to do is fill our lungs with the scent of musk. Today, we're going to be going for the common squirrel. This jewel is filled with thousands of milligrams of pure squirrel musk. So if you just follow me this way. Okay. Oh, mate. You gotta feel this, nature. Oh shit!
Something that fucking ate this thing.
What this is right here, this is a scrape. That's nature. In my nostrils, I have the scent of a wild boar. Okay, we gotta find this boar, whether that boar likes it or not, okay?
What we have to do is we have to be very quiet. We have to be very quiet, and we have to find this deer, this boar. They're no deer. We're the deer. I gotta find this deer.
Hey, look, come here. Hold on, down. Come on, right here, right now. Come on. Look over there. Hey, come on. Look over there. Look right over there. It's a wild nesting pig grazing on the first newborn grasses of the spring. Oh my God, I love nature. I love nature so much. Love nature. Love it. Oh shit! They're bees! They're bees in the tree when I smashed it! Oh shit! Bees! Mate, those are fucking bees. I got a bee sting. Right on my fucking cheek, mate.
I got a fucking bee sting on my cheek, mate. How? I got a fucking bee sting on my fucking cheek. Oh fuck.
Tommy.
Oh, we got a fucking bee sting!